Hey, hi guys, good morning. So today I'm live with you all. It's my first live video. So yes, this recipe book gave me that opportunity to talk with you all. I'm so happy. So yes, without wasting any time, चलिए recipe start करते हैं. It's very easy recipe, super quick. So first I tell you the name actually. Here I'm sharing a cheese dip recipe, which requires just the four ingredients. The major four are your cheese slice, milk, butter, and milk powder. So it's very easy. I have ready with me my double boiler, very small. I'm adding milk, nearly a tablespoon, one cheese slice, break it into pieces so it will be easy to get melt soon. Once this it will get heat from the bottom, your milk will get warm. With that warmness, the cheese will start melting. I'm adding a very small amount of butter to this. Yes, feel free to use cream instead of milk. It will be more creamy. So once the when the uh, cream will get cool down, it will be more thick. So yes, your dip will be more rich, more creamy that way. And some milk powder to this. Uh, it's like, yes, a teaspoon. And feel free, these are the four major ingredients, the basic. The rest is seasoning, so feel free to add the seasonings of your choice. I like black pepper, oregano, but you can add any of your fresh leaves, even the coriander, parsley, or even dill to give it a little bit of that tangy flavor. So, whatever your recipe calls for, actually, the dish with which you're pairing your dip, or even not just as dip, just see how soon it get melted. Now also, I feel it's little bit more thick because once it gets cool, it will be, it will get more thick. Yeah. So I'm switching off my gas. With it warmness only, it will, if any bit pieces are there of cheese, it will get melt. And yes, I want to tell you for the seasonings, like any of the seasoning what you like, even your Szechuan sauce you can add to this, or your peri peri, or instead of mayonnaise go for this cheese dip. And not only as dip, you can even use it as spread or your bread or your tortillas or any of your wraps, even in pizzas or lasagna, or like option endless. So hopefully this little time was useful to you and I enjoyed it doing for you. Thank you.